Looking for a recipe to use up some leftover ham? Try these Iowa ham balls.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with a large bowl and 1 pound of ground ham. Then add in 1 pound of ground beef. I used lean ground beef. Then you'll add in an egg and a cup of graham cracker crumbs. Now at this point I should have added 3/4 of a cup of milk, but I even measured it out. It was sitting on the cupboard and I completely forgot about it. Then you're going to form these into meatballs, little tiny ones if you want like appetizer size, or these bigger ones if you want them for more for a meal. And I actually use a cookie scoop so that they're all about the same size. The bigger meatballs make about 25, 27 meatballs. And then here's where I realized that I forgot the milk. So there's that milk that I did put in. But you know what? They were still awesome. So I don't think you even need it. But I'll put it in the recipe down below. Now the sauce is all part of this. That is 1 10-ounce can of tomato soup. You'll add a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of vinegar. I used cider vinegar, and a teaspoon of dry mustard, and stir that together. So it makes like a sweet and sour sauce is what it makes. And then you pour that on top of your meatballs that are in this greased casserole dish. And then you're going to bake them in the oven uncovered for about an hour at 350 degrees. I serve these meatballs over rice for dinner. These are delicious. The sauce is a little on the sweet side. It's just like a sweet and sour sauce. The meatballs themselves are not sweet. Now, you'd be surprised by that because of those graham wafer crumbs that have a sweetness to them. And you can tell the graham wafer crumbs are there if you know what went in the meatballs. Otherwise, you probably would just detect an interesting kind of a spice that you can't put your finger on. These are really interesting. I will make these again when I want to use up some leftover ham. Now, I surprised myself a little when I checked my channel looking for suggested videos that I only actually have one other meatball recipe on my channel, and it's these. These are spicy taco meatballs, and I forgot about this one. This one also has an unusual flavor, but they are quite delicious. So why don't you click on your screen and check it out, and thank you so much for watching.